right, finally home. Gonna watch A&M beat the hell out of Alabama. Gotta get me my food on. Can't wait for the family to come in and take a look at this house. Beautiful house. All right, let's see what we got here. The spices. Yeah, here we go, got that. All right, meat should be already prepped. Got it going on. All right, where's the guac? Where's the guac? Where is the guac? Palm Harbor Homes, Bryan. Hey, Brady, where's the guac at for the tailgate?
Guac? There ain't no stinking guac, man. We're saving the guac over here at Palm Harbor Homes, man.
All right, what we got, man?
Man, we got some great sales. All of our single wides, double wides, even our triple wides. Heck, I'm even talking 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5-bedroom houses going on sale this weekend. Why don't you skip on that tailgate down the road, go come right over here to the meat, potatoes, and the meal, baby. We're going to put a butt whooping on that Alabama team. Why don't you come on down here and give me Brady?
Or Eric a call at 979-775-7558. Remember, Palm Harbor Homes, factory direct outlet of Bryan, where you can find the right price, right place with the right people. Giggle.